it could be one of those days where nothing really happens. Now we're cooking with grease, y'all. BTC, there we go. So where are we at now? Okay, so today is down, 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 down. Wow, I went up to 87.5 overnight. Nice. News, what's the news going on here? BTC gains 5% to 86,000 as Powell message sparks crypto enthusiasm. Bitcoin rallies after Fed event. Powell eyes 2 cuts in 2025. Ether cracks 2,000 per token. We're going to look at the Dow Jones, okay? Dow Jones live. Stock market today. Okay, slide 27 minutes ago. Yeah, so we got so the market's opened and it went down, but now they're going back up. Stock futures point to more losses as Fed bounce runs out of steam. And that was an hour ago, which means that was at 9 o'clock. Okay, so I guess they were saying that the futures, okay, overnight, I guess, the futures were down. I'm not a professional with this, y'all. This is like a hobby. I collect meme coins, okay? I've got a collection of meme coins, and so I don't even look at the meme coins. I just look at the broader market stuff right now, I just look at the Dow Jones, and I look at Bitcoin. Saying the price falters, but I wonder what the futures did overnight. That would tell the tale. Okay, up to 4 a.m. Then after 4 a.m., yeah, we had a drop. And that's why they were saying. But now we're going back up right here, so it's hard to say. You have to just wait it out, see what happens for today. Depending on if there's like some kind of like big company doing something, reporting earnings, or is there some kind of like macroeconomic indicator being released today? I'm not sure. I don't follow it that close. If there's no major stuff being announced today, if we look at it over 5 days, then we're up a short-term trend. Okay. So, but if we look at it for 1 month, we're coming out of this dip, this big drop, and 6 months, here's a drop, there's a drop, and a big drop there, post-election stuff, and really, I'm gonna say a lot of this drop, it's not like something big time happened that's bad, a lot of it's from tariff talk, tariffs, and we've had tariffs for the last 4 years, so the market was going up while we had tariffs already, so this could be like kind of overdoing it a little bit, with the fear stuff. I could see if like there was a big bank going down, or like bad unemployment numbers or bad inflation numbers. You don't really have that right now. You've got kind of like pseudo fear stuff. There could be deals made and then tariffs lifted. And then or the economic numbers start to come out on the positive side. If they just come out on the positive side just a little bit, that could cause it to kind of go up more. That's just my amateur view on stuff right now. So overall prediction today, unless there's some kind of, I don't even know if it's earnings season right now. Earnings season is when corporations, corporations, they report earnings. They report earnings, and then that can move the market one way or the other. If earnings are good, then it shows positive things going on. And if it's something like some kind of inflation report or unemployment report that comes out, that can move the market. If there's nothing like that today, it's going to be a wait and see maybe. Or things are going to be absorbed and kind of, if it turns into a green day, so yeah, it's kind of up in the air right now. I'm not sure what's going on news-wise. No. I just wonder if I could get an economic calendar. So, economic calendar. So what's the day? Today's 20th. We got 18th, 19th, 20th. So we already had initial jobless claims. Maybe this morning was 8:30. Maybe there was something in that. If I'm reading that correctly. Think of it a heart me. Think of it heart me's. Think of it a TikTok. Okay, so we got U.S. weekly jobs claims rise marginally, remain stable. Job opportunities limited. So there's not. Number of Americans filing for new applications for unemployment benefits increased slightly, suggesting the labor market remains stable, though the outlook is darkening amid rising trade tensions. Okay, trade tensions and deep cuts in government spending. So, this isn't like market shattering type news here. Trade tensions, okay, and deep cuts in government. All right, so that's stuff that can go either way. It can be good or bad. But it's not like if all of a sudden like a bank became insolvent or, an earthquake, or something, or spike in energy prices because of things going on in the Middle East, which can be a little bit part of it. There's some stuff going on over there. So yes, I imagine Things went down overnight, and then this report came out at 8:30, which was right before the market opened. Okay, so there's relatively few private sector layoffs, but there's not quite as many opportunities for people who are unemployed, which just mean that the job outlook is kind of cool. So this is another like kind of no news is good news type thing. To me, like this is like kind of good. I mean, it's not that bad and it's not that good. So it's kind of part of the course for now. And so if the market is turning up right now at this point, then it's because of that report wasn't bad and it wasn't good. So as long as it's not bad, then that's good, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. In my feeble amount of knowledge on this stuff, which isn't great. I do have some knowledge on this kind of stuff, So if we're turning up right now a little bit, that could be the reason why the unemployment claims numbers are not that bad and they're not great. And that's probably enough to kind of buoy the market a little bit, hold it up. Could turn positive, could have a positive day. I would say it's either going to be flat or a little bit positive, maybe. I don't know. See, look at that calendar again. Let's see what else is coming up. And as the data starts to add up, as you add up overall inflation, overall inflation's down. Okay. So we got 8:30. Okay. Retail sales, 20th. Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey was 8:30 a.m. Okay. So that was, I don't know much about that one. Survey. I don't know those numbers, so I can't say if it's good or not. Actual. Let's see what it says about the Philadelphia manufacturing survey. Okay, so 2 hours ago, like this was another report that came out. So we look at this report. And this will help us dissect what might be going on. Okay, let's see. Key indicator of general business conditions in Philadelphia has seen a dip in its latest figures. The actual number came in at 12.5, a drop from the previous 18.1, but above forecasted number of 8.8. So it came in above what was forecasted. So not as bad as they thought, or not as low as they thought, which is based on data compiled from a survey of about 250 manufacturers in Philadelphia, Federal Reserve District. General business conditions. Insights into manufacturing sector's health, a major contributor to the U.S. economy. A higher than expected reading is typically seen as positive or bullish for the dollar, while a lower expected reading is seen as negative or bearish. Okay, so again, another report that was not bad. Okay, so amount and U.S. leading economic indicators. All these things are coming in as kind of part of course, meaning not exceptionally good, but not really bad either. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So U.S. existing home sales expectedly rise in February. Okay, so there's a big one. Is housing is big. So if there was an unexpected rise, then there you go. That explains a lot too. We look at this economic indicator, U.S. leading indicators. Okay, all right, we'll look at that one. Paste, search. Like I said, I don't do this on a regular. This is not, this is a hobby to me. So, but okay. Declined 0.3% in February 25 to 101.1 after a 0.2% decline revised from 0.03. Okay, so the revision actually went up in January, so that's good. Overall, the LEI fell by 1% in the 6-month period ending February 25th, less than half of its rate of decline of 2.1 over the previous 6 months. So it fell, but not by as much as the previous 6 months. So that's another good, not so bad, not that great number.